Yeah.
Hi guys.
Hello.
My name is Anne and sorry. Nicholas.
Yeah, my name is Nicholas.
My name is Anne and I'll be the Scrum Master for our team. I'll share my screen now.
Yep.
You guys see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe you can start discussing now. Wait, are you guys able to see my Padlet board?
Yeah, we are looking at your
only?
Padlet board.
Yeah.
So the PDF you guys can't see lah.
No,
No,
can't
we
see,
don't.
only a Padlet.
Okay. Okay, I'll share my whole screen. Are you guys able to see the PDF?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe we can check the project first. Like discuss which one we want to prioritize.
Yep.
Okay, starting in row 23.
Yeah, since we are done with the part A and part B, I think.
Yeah. Maybe we can start planning our data schema first. Since the predecessor is 14.
So is it we prioritize our task based on the predecessor? I think so, right?
Yeah. Should be like that, I think.
Yeah, it should be.
And so I'll pull in the backlog. You guys can see my screen, right?
Yeah, sure. I think it will take like about 2 days to finish, right? According to the project manager.
Yeah. Or unless you guys want to speed up things, also can. And then you can load flat files.
Flat files is using Power BI, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
I think whole part C is using Power BI, right?
Yeah.
I think so. Yeah.
It's like creating the visualization through the
So we prioritize this section first. I think we can finish it in quite a few days. Not really long, right? Power BI only.
Yeah, 3 days should be fine, I think.
So we can do the 3 days. 3?
Yeah, right? The plan, the data schema, and
only this is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe max 4 days.
Yeah.
Okay, relationship. Okay. So any of you wants to choose which task you guys want to work on?
Maybe we just take part by part, like because we are 3 people. So part C, part D, part E, like assigned to 3 each of us. Is that?
But we are prioritizing our section C first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we need to do that first.
Okay, I see.
But I realized there's like one part that's weird. For the part C, right, the dashboard data model, our duration is 8 days. Not sure why.
I thought this one is for the whole thing.
Yeah, but for this whole thing, the maximum is only at 4 days, right?
But as long as we can finish it early, I think it's fine.
Yeah.
I don't think we have to care about the yeah.
True.
So you guys want to choose, or you guys want me to assign to you guys?
For 24 and 25, I think it could be done by a single person because it's just loading and then creating relationship. So
yeah.
Task 24, 25 should be done by one person.
I think I can do the plan data schema using a Power BI.
Okay. Well, I don't really still understand what should we do in planning data schema. Like, can you explain more?
Yeah. I'm not sure. Maybe you can have a look at the assignment about what is it about.
It's in the appendix, right?
Not sure. Maybe you can scroll down
Let me
and see.
check. Mm,
Like, what should we plan on that task? Plan data schema.
This one, right?
We mentioned in the document.
So
so-
it's
Yeah,
the
Zero.
zero. You have to use zero.
But according to the one Nicholas sent, right, it says that have a look at the appendix and plan out how you will replicate this in Power BI.
Oh, so we use
So we
zero
have to use zero and then we load in Power
and
BI
then we replicate
to,
it on Power BI.
yeah. We have to
okay.
create relationships
Okay.
for them.
Got it.
So which one of you wants to work on a zero? This way we have 3 tasks. So one for planning the schema and then Power
One
BI.
for replicating in Power BI.
And creating relationships.
Maybe I can take for the 0 one.
Sure.
Okay, then I'll put in the
Okay.
Power BI.
Okay.
So
Power BI is creating relationships only, right?
Power BI is the task. If we see in the project, it's task 24 and 25.
I think I'll do
Microsoft
for like C1 and C2 is like I replicate it in Power BI first from a 0. And then after that, I'll load the files in and then maybe Nicholas can create relationship for it.
I guess that can be done, but I think it will be faster if we just task 24 and 25 done by one person because 24 is just loading in.
Yeah. Can be done by one person. Maybe Yenting and Emily can both work on the 0.
Yep, sure.
Yeah,
Okay.
maybe you guys can cross-check your answers.
I can do task 24 and 25.
Yeah,
Loading
Okay.
flat files and create relationship.
sure. Wait, let me see. So, okay. Planning data schema is Yenting.
So is it I will be responsible for the 0 part and then Emily for the Power BI part? Is that true?
No, you and Emily will work on 0 part and you guys will send the data to Nicholas and he will load it into Power BI.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, we can cross-check our output and see is it correct.
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Anything more to add?
Maybe you can set like a deadline for our plan data schema. So
Yeah.
like we'll be
Plan
like,
data schema, I think is 3 days enough.
Actually, we
Yeah, I
can
think
follow
that
the
should be
2 days,
fine.
the duration.
2 days. Okay.
will be until
2 days lah. Huh?
Yeah.
So it's
28
28.
September.
28.
And for Nicholas, I think 1 day is enough for you, right?
I think it's quite because I'll just follow the plan data schema, right? When
Yeah.
creating relationship.
Yes.
Yeah, so 1 day is enough.
For both,
Yeah.
Okay.
So 29.
Anything to add?
No, I think we can move to part D.
The MS project task, what does this mean actually? Like our
Our whole
Oh,
project.
I think
Our
our
Gantt chart.
documentation,
Sorry?
our documentation from task 1 and task 2.
Oh, is it?
Oh, so the one that we put all the screenshots in, is it?
Yeah, I think they the tutors want to check whether we are doing correctly or not.
So we have to take a lot of screenshots and then submit.
No, for
I
task
think
1,
we
task
put
2.
all the screenshot in already, I think.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah,
task
we
The
one,
Google
did,
Docs
but
one,
they
right?
only want the screenshots. So I'm not sure if we are to submit the document or just the screenshots.
I think they just want to see whether we are doing correctly, like the deadlines and the division of the resource.
So do
Because
we
if
just
we-
submit
basically
the
it-
latest one?
Maybe we can just submit our Gantt chart. The whole thing is our summary really, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
It should
okay.
be.
I guess
It shows the whole duration, is it?
Yeah, true.
And then screenshot of your board means the scrum board.
Yeah. Yeah, our scrum board.
But it says that submit the scrum board and YouTube link and a screenshot of your board. Is there like other board for us to submit?
No, I think it's just a scrum board. They want our link. They want our access to the link and the screenshot. Yeah, just like that. You guys want to move on to part D? But part D, I thought is for 3.4.
Oh, really?
Really? Did they say for initial stand up what should we do for part C, part D? Is there like a
They didn't.
But we could like assign task to part D first, because 3.4 is just like when we're doing and checking the progress of our task.
yeah, we can have normal
So we
check-up.
can just assign it first.
Okay, okay. Okay, so it's here, right? This, let's see, scope requirements. Wait, if we
Part
plan data schema, does that mean we already finished these two parts?
Yeah, I'm quite curious of this also.
I think not yet.
Create visual.
Does plan data
No, not
schema
yet.
means we put all the
Or maybe it's just loading into 0.
yeah. And
Is
then
it we
afterwards
will create the
just make
visual
it into tab.
0 already,
Isn't
right?
that should be Power BI?
Yeah. The create visuals is for Power
The whole
BI.
thing should be Power
I
BI.
think 0 is only planning data schema.
Yeah, but we have to load the files into Power BI also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the rest of the task is using Power BI, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think visual should be all using Power BI.
Okay, let's start with scope requirements. Users. Maybe Nicholas, you want to try?
Yeah, sure.
Since you can finish it in one day, right? How long do you need?
I think 1 day is enough.
1 day.
But I think take a break from taking.
Yeah, it's the next day, right?
part C, yeah.
Not. Yeah. Okay.
Not directly. So when do we want to start part D?
After we finish the whole part C, we can straight away start on part D.
Let me open my calendar first.
1 day.
Okay.
But like, what are we supposed to put in the end user scope?
Is it surely like wait after our submission and receive an update for this?
I think we can, since we're not really sure about the task for the scope requirements.
Yeah. But it says can be referred to the assignment appendix. Is there any appendix saying about the end user?
Yeah, the stakeholder presentation, is it? For the part
stakeholder
5.
presentation part. This one.
No, but yeah, I think it's this.
Scope requirement. Doesn't really make sense though if it refers to part 5.
Is there anything in the appendix that talk about the end user?
Not really.
Yeah, I didn't see any at the moment as well.
I think we should, from my understanding, I think we should wait for an update from the tutors before we could do part D1.
Yeah,
Oh,
or maybe
I
we can
see.
submit our initial stand up first and then only afterwards we wait for
Yeah.
the tutors.
But
Sure.
but we could at least start assigning the task first in here right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So Nicholas will do it. Maybe do you need one
I
day
think
break?
I'm going to, after I finished by 29 September, right, for part C.
Yeah, you want to start on the
29.
1st or the
It's
30th?
Wednesday. I think I'll take quite a break because I have a lot of tests on Monday and Tuesday of week 10.
So
I think I'll start doing it on 6 October. Is it okay?
wait, let me check. 6.
Yeah, should be fine. Will be like next week Wednesday.
Yeah,
Next week.
1 week after I finishing the part C. Because I have a lot of tests and
6
assignment on
October.
4th and 5th October.
Does anyone have a free time?
Wait, let me see.
Yeah, actually, I think I can do it.
Yeah, around like 1 day, right?
Because
Yenting said he can do it. Yenting said.
yeah.
Okay, so
Okay, Yanting.
okay, so just Yanting, it's okay.
So 30th or the 1st?
Yeah, 30 should be okay for me.
I think mock-up designs we can all discuss together,
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What are we supposed to do for mock-up design?
Design the dashboard, I think.
So we like do some scratching by drawing.
Yeah. Creating graphs.
So this is a design through Power BI?
Yes.
Okay.
So if you start on the 30th, maybe we can finish by the 4th.
Yeah.
4th of October. Is it okay with you guys?
Yeah, it's fine for me.
Okay.
Fine.
By the way, guys, there's a time limit, yeah.
Oh. How long do we have? How long more?
I'm not really sure.
I think there's around like 2 minutes till 20 minutes. So there will be around 7 minutes like that for us to reach the maximum.
Okay. Maybe we can stop. After we
I think we
assigning
will
the
just
task.
finish the mock-up designs and then should we?
Yeah, I think we don't have to move on.
Yeah, we can just do until mock-up design first.
Yeah.
For the graph, we can do it like afterwards, after we finish everything first.
Yeah, sure. So we will check in the intermediate stand-up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Stop recording.
So I think we can stop record now.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
And I will be uploading onto YouTube.
Okay. Yes.